With his American car, I guess, or? Yes. But no one has a lowrider, or? No. Ever sitting in a lowrider? Yeah. This is a shaky car. This is a lowrider, real one from the States. And you guys here from Poland are able to enjoy this procedure. I need two beautiful girls. I guess this is no problem to find them. Okay? Two girls, please. Here is one sitting. I guess you were the first one. And another one I need. Here. I can't see someone else, only beautiful girls. Come on. And you have been the first one, okay? So guys, it's your decision. Who are the men who are going to dance with the girls inside? Who are the men? I need two of them. Not too many. Not everybody can dance with these girls, okay? Only two. Hey guys, what's happening? Normally, they have to hold them back, you know? So, here. You're too young for these girls. We need men. Here is coming the strongest man competition. We need men for these girls. Where are the men? Here is one. Yeah, we need official gangsters, you know? Sit in. Make the beautiful interior even more beautiful. It's your decision. The interior will enjoy everywhere you sit in. Okay? So, are you a gangster? A real American?
Hey man!
Yeah! That's what we need, okay? So, you can make a decision. It's the first time for you. Do you want this beautiful girl at the front? Or more the beautiful girl in the back?
I want only my fiancé there.
Ah, you are out. You are out. Go back to your wife. I thought we are looking for new girls and new boys in a new competition because this is a dating car. Go out. Go away. Go away. So, because he was so honest, he's the only man for his wife. It's your chance. Get in. Get in. No. Wait a second. The other side. I explain you why. Come on, you have to sit here. Girls are always sitting next to the driver's side. No, that's true. That's not true. So, where's the next strongest man here? One place is still to have a strong one. Where are your tattoos? Where are your tattoos? No. Strong man. Oh, here's a tattoo. He's also a strong man. Come on. Okay? Yeah. And Jack, I hope you have some music for us. Yeah, okay. So, it's sad, it's really sad, but you have to sit in here. It's a problem for you?
It's for me.
Is this a problem for you? Is this a problem for you? We need another guy, he has a problem with this beautiful lady? No, sit in. Sit in, feel comfortable. Change numbers. Okay, change numbers. Cell phone numbers. No? Later. Because if we are going on now, we have to say yes, we have already changed your numbers. Because how would it be if you never know her again, never see her again, but the people know what you have doing 30 dirty things in this car, and you don't even have her number. Yeah, the dirty things are happening in the lowriders, you know? No music. This is the music. The rhythm is the music, you know? And it's like in real life, after 1 minute, it's finished. It's like in real life, I tell you. It's everywhere on the world the same shit. 1 minute and then it's over. Okay? Do you want to see some more?
Yeah!
Then we need some ice cold drinks for these guys here inside. Where are the ice cold drinks? Okay? We need some ice cold drinks. Because after 1 minute of physical, I don't know what they have done, they need something to drink. But don't drink it. You need something to drink, but don't make the same failure like yesterday. Don't drink this shit. Okay? Hold it outside. The other hand. Ah, you want to give it to her? You're such a gentleman. I hope he's doing this to his girlfriend also. Hopefully. Okay? So, and you? Aren't you a gentleman? Yeah, then give it to her. What are you waiting for? So, and this is for you. Yeah, this is now for you. She has already one. Okay? The other hand. Do we have two hands? Yes. This one here, outside, please. Out. Inside? Outside or inside?
Inside.
Outside. Inside? I don't know. Outside?
Outside.
It's your choice. Outside?
Yeah.
Inside?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's my interior. Have we spoken about the wet t-shirt contest or what did we have to? It's not a wet t-shirt contest here, but we do it inside. Okay? So take your cups inside, please. Let us show the cups. You have to show us the cups. The mid? No, not the middle. Okay? It's your cup. You have to hold it in front of you. Straight in front of you. Okay? Straight in front of you. Or what means in front? Close to you. Close to you. Oh my God, she says. No, my name is Franz from Germany. Yeah, nice to meet you too. So, every cell phone today is waterproof. Every. They told us to us. Yeah. Should we do it? Should we leave it outside? They make promises, but they will not happen. So, I hope you have a little bit time, you know. This always takes a little bit of time, a little bit of joking with these guys. Was?
Pfarrer wohnt in Deutschland.
Der Pfarrer wohnt in Deutschland.
Natürlich.
Der Pfarrer von der Kirche oder der Fahrer vom Auto? Ah, der Fahrer wohnt in Deutschland. Jetzt habe ich es verstanden. Sehr gut. Ja, wir auch. Keine Sorge. So, we have to go back also, but now it's your turn. Cups inside, it was your decision. And now is the moment where we need some music, because dancing and cocktail drinks in a bar never happen without music. And one more thing that I have to say, take the hand and put it to the roof maybe, because it's a little bit shaky. Okay? It's in your cell phone, take care. Should I take it also? One more cell phone. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, you know. I have her number, you know. Now I have her number. Maybe we can call her. So, where's the music? Check.
Music is start in a minute,
Yeah.
maybe in a second
good.
even.
Okay.
Dajcie jakąś
So,
fajną muzyczkę, jakiś rockabilly.
we need some music. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Should we start the show?
Yeah.
Should we start the show?
Yeah.
So, take your cups, hold them tight, okay? Ready to lift off. 3, 2, 1. A big round of applause for the four. So, and now we have to check it out. Here on his fingers is written fuck. I hope it was okay for you. Okay? So, what?
Yeah.
I hope you didn't fuck her. Oh, sorry. So, are you fine? The bouncy one was the lady at the back. It's really hopping here inside, or? Did your boobs also a little bit hop up and down? She don't know it, but I've seen it, okay? So, this here was not your competition, or? You have it on your shorts, we will see it, okay? She have it in her shorts. So, you have done very good. Really good. And should I present you to the audience, these beautiful ladies? Sorry guys, I thought it would be a wet t-shirt contest, but she was really doing good. So no wet t-shirt contest today. Okay? So, an applause for the two ladies, please. And here the guys, the strongest man competition, I guess, will really happen because he was a really strong guy. Okay? The winner in this competition are the men. Okay? You have done a good job, guys. I hope it was okay. And are you still in good condition? Okay. So, it was a pleasure. What's up?
Thanks for this.
Anything else? What's your number? What's your number?
5.
Here's your cell phone, that's what I wanted to say. Thank you, boys and girls. Okay? Applause for all the guys. Thank you, thank you. Check, what's your time? Do we have some time? Yes? Then it would be my pleasure. Here the most things are for the bigger guys, for the bigger people. But I guess also the kids want to sit once in their lifetime in a lowrider. Is it like this? Do the kids want to sit inside? Maybe, because this is a regular 6-seater car. But I guess if the people, the kids are small enough, I guess we can put in at least 10. So I need 10 mini lowrider homies and their future girlfriends. Okay? So, they should be able to walk. That's good. Okay? Girlie? Yes! But bring the sunglasses to your mom. The sunglasses, she does not English, you understand her? 1, 2, sit in. Go there, sit in. 1, 2. Small, no, too big, too big, too big. Sit in, too big. Sit in, sit in, sit in, sit in. Wait a second, we have to check it out. Wait, only at least, at maximum 10. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We still need 3 small ones. You? Yes! The next one? Yeah, run! It's your chance, get in! Oh! I almost killed him. I'm not the police, okay? But I almost killed him. So sit in. You have to go to the front. Okay? And now I need my translator. Where is my translator? Yes. Please. So, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, wait a second. Du sagst ihnen bitte, sie sollen sich alle zurücksitzen. Ganz zurück. Genau, richtig, ganz zurück. Du musst auch zurück. Rüber ein bisschen. Ja, die müssen rüberrutschen. We have to place them there inside so that nothing happens because I'm the magician. Is it right? I'm a Zauberer. I'm a magician. Like, wer ist denn der Zauberer? The Magician of Oz? Is it like this? I don't know. Okay? So, and if you go down now, if you all go down please, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, everybody goes down, okay? They are away. They are away. They are gone. And I'm a magician, and I swear I can bring them back. Should I bring the kids back? Huh? They are gone, but we bring them back. Okay? Shh, don't say that you are still here. Don't say that you still are here. Okay? Okay? They are gone. I swear. So, should we bring them back?
Yeah.
Should we bring them back? Yeah. Feel comfortable. They don't know that you still are here. Okay. So, magic. Let the magic happen. At 3, 2, 1. Bring them back. One more, last chance to bring them back. Yeah, let the magic happen. It was a real good feel. Let's check it out if they are still all back. You have to count them. He is number 1. He's back. He's back. Number 2, also back. The third guy back. Here, come out, guys. Thank you for this pleasure. 3 kids back. 4, 5 kids back. Oh, and the smallest is back. 7, 8, 9, and yeah, he's gone. He's gone. Okay, he has disappeared. I don't know. Maybe the Back to the Future car can bring him back. I don't know. Okay, so that's Low for Show. I hope you enjoyed my magic. So, and now we come from magic to tragic, because it's a drama. This year is a drama queen, you know? Ray is like a beast. I guess it's almost a beast, because sometimes it does not work, sometimes it works too heavy, sometimes it's like a wild Mustang and it rides like funky. I don't know what happened to the car, but it's full of technique. The complete car was built and reinforced for these stuff so that we can do some moves. Should we do some moves? Yeah, so it's not possible for you to sit inside. I show you why, okay? Let the music continue. We are ready to lift off. Houston, we are ready to lift off. In 3, 2, 1. you. Come straight to you. Coming straight from the underground. Fuck the police. Stop the beast, please. Stop the beast.